Craving that creamy, nostalgic kulfi without the long process? This shortcut version uses simple pantry staples but delivers big on flavor. Start with 3 slices of sandwich bread. Cut each diagonally 8 times to make 8 small pieces per slice. Pop them into a food processor. Now add in half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 5 tablespoons of milk powder. Blend it all together until you get fine crumbs, almost like damp sand. Once done, pour the mixture onto a plate and run your hands through it to break up any clumps. You want it smooth and even. In a heavy bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and let it caramelize. Once it turns golden amber, pour in 2 cups of room temperature milk. Don't worry if the caramel hardens a little, just keep stirring. As the milk heats up, the caramel will dissolve again. Next, add in your breadcrumb mixture into the milk and mix it. Let it simmer gently until the mixture thickens. You're looking for a thick, porridge-like consistency. Be patient and scrape the bottom often so it doesn't stick or burn. To get a smoother texture, use an immersion blender to blend it right in the pan. Mine broke, so I'm going to be using a juicer. Just remove the top of the juicer so that the steam escapes, or just let the mixture cool first before blending it. Once blended, pour it into a loaf pan. If you want it to release easily, add in a wax paper. I did not, so I had a little trouble and had to use a knife to release it. Let it cool to room temperature, then freeze for at least 24 hours. To serve, flip the kulfi out of the pan. Because mine got stuck, I ran a knife along the edges to help lift it out. Again, to avoid this hassle, just line the pan up with wax paper beforehand for easy release. Slice it into wedges and then garnish with crushed almonds. And there you have it, a rich, creamy kulfi made with everyday ingredients, no fancy equipment and no condensed milk in sight. The caramel adds depth, the bread gives it body, and that nutty topping finishes it off perfectly. If this looks like something you try, hit that like button and share it with someone who loves easy frozen desserts. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-fuss recipes that hits just right.